Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback for the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the last video where we talked about how the U.S. helped rebuild Europe after World War II. Now let's test your memory and understanding. Did Europe recover quickly on its own after World War II? No. The U.S. helped rebuild Europe through the Marshall Plan. Was the Marshall Plan launched in 1945? No, it was launched in 1948. Was the Marshall Plan named after a U.S. general? Yes, it was named after Secretary of State George Marshall. Did the Marshall Plan provide military supplies to Europe? No, it provided economic aid and reconstruction support. Did the Marshall Plan include countries like France and Italy? Yes, it supported many Western European countries, including France and Italy. Did the Soviet Union accept aid from the Marshall Plan? No, the Soviet Union and its allies rejected the aid. Was one goal of the plan to stop the spread of communism? Yes, the U.S. feared communism would spread in poor European countries. Did the Marshall Plan help the U.S. gain allies? Yes, it improved America's global image and strengthened alliances. Was the plan considered a failure? No, it was a great success and helped rebuild Europe. Should you watch the video again to improve your English? Yes, watching multiple times will help you learn vocabulary, pronunciation, and comprehension. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and keep up with our amazing series on English learning and American culture. We'll see you in the next episode.